Today, we are going to learn about the excretory system. Our body is composed of various organ systems. All these organ systems work together to form the various functions of life. We have already read about the secretory system, nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, skeletal system, and muscular system. In this chapter, we will learn about the excretory system in the human body. We know that our body needs air, food, and water for survival, and that it removes waste products such as carbon dioxide, urine, and water. This unwanted substance need to be continuously removed from our body, as most of them are toxic in nature. So the process of removal of these waste products from our body is called excretion. An excretory system is the system that helps in removing these waste products from our body is called excretory system. Excretory system consists of liver, lungs, large intestine, skin, and urinary system. Thus, our body needs to get rid of two types of wastes. That is, wastes from digestion and metabolic wastes such as urea, carbon dioxide, water, etc. Let us first discuss the removal of wastes from digestion. So, you already know that our body absorbs all the nutrition from food through the process of digestion. So, food is processed from the moment it enters the mouth so that maximum nutrition can be obtained. The small intestine remove all the nutrition from the food and allow them to enter the blood. All the food that has not been broken down or absorbed needs to be removed. Large intestine absorbs water and ejects the rest of the semi-solid waste in the form of feces from the anus. The process of removal of undigested food from the body in the form of feces is known as ejection. Next one is metabolic wastes. You also know that the various organs in our body perform different functions. These functions involve processes such as respiration, digestion, etc. The wastes produced due to these processes in our body are known as metabolic wastes. Carbon dioxide, urea, salt, and water are some of the examples of metabolic wastes. Excretion. So, what is excretion? Excretion means it is the process of removal of metabolic wastes. Different organs involved in excretion are kidneys, lungs, liver, and skin. Next one, we are going to see about urinary system. The main excretory system in humans is the urinary system, which includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and the urethra. First one is kidney. Kidneys are two dark blood beam shaped organs, one on each side of the backbone. All the blood enters the kidneys through the renal artery. It is a large artery which gets divided into smaller ones inside the kidneys. Urea is soluble unwanted chemical substance which needs to be thrown out from the body. The kidneys act like filters and purify the blood by removing all waste products such as extra water, urea, salt, and excess of water from the blood. The purified blood is then carried away from the kidneys by the renal vein. Next one is ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So urine from the kidney moves down to the urinary bladder through two narrow muscular tubes called ureters. The urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ that temporarily stores urine until it is released through the urethra. Healthy kidneys usually produce between 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. So, there are some of the other organs or systems that helps in removing wastes from the body or lungs, liver, and skin. Lungs. True, the main function of the lungs is respiration and they also help in excreting wastes from the body. A large amount of carbon dioxide is carried by blood to the lungs. It is removed from the body along with some water vapor during excretion or breathing out through the nose. And next one is liver. Liver is another important organ in excretion. So the function of liver is to purify the blood by removing toxins, drugs and worn out red blood cells from our body. From our blood. Skin. Skin is the largest external organ. It also acts as an excretory organ by removing excess salt, urea and acids in the form of sweat from our body. Sweat. It is made up of water and salt. It is excreted through tiny pores found in the skin. It is not only removes the wastes but also helps in regulating the body temperature. So, it is important to get rid of harmful products and toxins through the process of excretion. If these wastes are not removed from our body, then toxins will collect in our body and cause many diseases. For our excretory system to function properly, we need to take healthy and balanced diet, drink lots of water and fluids, reduce consumption of tea, coffee and aerated drinks. So, I hope you understand this concept of excretory system. Thank you.